What's the meaning of bobtail? Bobtail. Bobtail.
Bobtail. Bobtail. The term bobtail generally refers to a shortened tail on an animal, particularly cats and dogs. It usually occurs naturally, but can also be the result of docking, a practice in which the tail is surgically removed. In some breeds, such as the Australian Shepherd, the bobtail is considered a desirable trait and is intentionally bred for. However, in other cases, such as certain dog shows, docked tails may be seen as preferable for aesthetic or practical reasons. While some argue that docking can be harmful and painful for the animal, it remains a controversial topic in the pet world.